In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a drop-down list in Excel. Whether you're organizing data, setting up a form, or working on any project that requires input control, drop-down lists can be extremely handy in Excel. However, there might come a time when you need to remove or modify these lists. This tutorial will guide you through the process of doing just that in a simple and effective manner. First off, we'll start with the basics. To access and work with Excel, especially if you don't have it installed on your device, you can use Microsoft 365 Online. It's a fantastic way for anyone to access Excel from anywhere, without needing the full desktop version installed. Just head over to the free Microsoft 365 Online page, which offers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Once there, you're going to need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button and get ready to input your details. The sign-in process is straightforward. You'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account. After typing your email, click Next. This will take you through the standard sign-in procedure, including entering your password and potentially a two-factor authentication code if you have that set up. Once you're signed in and have access to Excel Online, we'll use an example file to demonstrate removing the drop-down list. You can either use one of your existing Excel files or create a new one for practice purposes. In our example, we've selected a file previously set up with a drop-down list we aim to remove. Now let's dive into the actual steps to eliminate the drop-down list from your Excel sheet. The first step is to locate and highlight the cells that contain the drop-down list you wish to remove. Click and drag your mouse across these cells to select them. With your cells selected, your next move is to navigate to the Data tab located in the Excel ribbon. This is the toolbar at the top of the Excel window. The Data tab houses various tools for working with your datasets, including data validation, which is what drop-down lists are a part of. Click on Data Validation from the Data tab. Data validation is a feature in Excel that controls the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. In the context of drop-down lists, it allows you to set a list of valid entries to standardized data entry. In the data validation dialog box, you'll typically find the drop-down list settings under Allow, where List is selected, indicating that the cell or range is set to allow only specific list values. To remove the drop-down list, change the setting from List to Any Value. This action tells Excel that any value can be entered into the cell or range, effectively removing the restrictions set by your drop-down list. After changing this setting to any value, make sure you click on Apply. This action saves your changes and applies them to the selected cells, removing the drop-down list from them. It's a simple click, but it's crucial for ensuring your changes take effect. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a drop-down list from an Excel cell or range. Removing drop-down lists is just as essential as creating them, since your data needs can change over time. Knowing how to both apply and remove these lists gives you greater control over your Excel data and how it's entered, ensuring your spreadsheets remain clean, accurate, and efficient. Remember, Excel is a powerful tool with countless features to discover and master. Practices like these not only help in specific tasks, but also improve your overall Excel skills. Keep exploring, learning, and applying new techniques to become more proficient in Excel. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to remove drop-down lists in Excel. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to guide you through mastering Excel and making the most of its robust functionalities.